Hey, what's up? It's Jono here and welcome to my AI Agents Army review. Now I am here inside of the members area of AI Agents Army, and during this video I'm going to give you a full demo and a review of exactly what you can do with this. Now, in a nutshell, AI Agents Army is going to do a multitude of things for you, including create websites, sales pages, e-com stores and blogs, get sales video scripts to build attention-grabbing AI image generator, attention-grabbing social posts and banners, high-converting emails. It's going to do a ton of stuff, including video creation, image creation, copywriting, coding, you name it. It can do a ton of different things. And I'm going to show you inside of the members area right here, so that you can see exactly how this works and what you can do with this. Now, as always, I've put together a ton of custom bonuses for you that you will receive when you pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page that is going to look like this. And just to bear in mind that this does go live on the 22nd of, what month are we on now? When you buy a software like this, yes, it shows you how to use all these awesome features, but it doesn't come with any training showing you how to actually use this software to make money in the real world. Okay, and obviously that's probably the main reason why you're looking to buy a software like this, because you want to use it as a tool to make money. So I've gone ahead and made this training for you because it doesn't come, and that's going to include all of these special bonuses here, which I'm guessing most other people are only giving away these bonuses, whereas I've gone above and beyond to make custom bonuses to show you how to actually make money with this, and my master plan, and how to make a lead magnet and all of that other stuff as well. Plus you will get all of these bonuses that everybody else is going to offer to you anyway. So that's another reason why you should definitely pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now I'm just going to dive into the actual members area itself, and I'll show you exactly what you can do with this. So the dashboard is going to look like this, and then you've got all of these tabs down the left hand side. Now Let's Work is basically going to show you how you can use all these different agents, and I'll show you in a second what the agents look like, how they work, but let me talk about these other ones as well, because these are just these are all secondary. The most of the stuff is done inside of here. But you also have text to image, so you can basically, you can come in here, you can write a sentence, and it will create an image for you. So okay, let's say dolphin in the sunset. So it'll actually create an image of a dolphin in the sunset for you. Which is something that some of these other AI tools do, like ChatGPT. They will do that, but you have to actually upgrade to this one, which is $20 a month, okay? And it's billed, I think it's billed every month. You've also got Jasper AI, which their lowest tier plan is $39 a month, which is quite a lot more. You've also got Simplified. Their lowest tier is $10 a month, but I don't think you get you don't get that much with it. You'd probably need the $20 a month one, which is why AI Agents Army is so much cheaper, because you only pay one time. You're not paying a monthly fee. You're getting all of this for life. Okay, here's my dolphin in the sunset. Great. Okay, image to image, you can basically upload an image and then you can change that image. You can morph it, you can change it into different things. Text to GIF, so you also, like similarly with text to image, you can say dolphin in the sunset and it will actually create a GIF of a dolphin probably jumping in the sunset. You've got text to audio, so you can put in your text here and it will make an MP3 file of somebody voiceovering that audio for you. You've also got a trained chatbot, which is, I guess, similar to kind of ManyChat or Tidio or something that you can put on your website, and you can train it to answer questions. So Q&A stuff on your website, or you can plug it in with the AI features and it will automatically come up with responses. So you can use this for customer support and stuff like that. You've also got these AI templates, which you can use in a multitude of different ways. So you come up here, you select the category, you've got WordPress images, video thumbnails, you've got social media posts, so you've got a post, you've got a Square post, you've got an Instagram post, Pinterest pins, Twitter posts, Google posts, Facebook covers, and you've got all these ad images as well, which you can use with Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and also Google AdWords as well. You've also got website headers, and then you've got miscellaneous banners as well. You can also sort these by different categories too, and it will go ahead and create you a template that you can use for those different things. Okay, then you've got your assets down here, you've got your media library there, and then you can also integrate this with integrations. Here we go. You can also integrate this with your autoresponder, okay, with loads of different things, even with Zapier and things like that, which is cool. So you've got webinar stuff you can integrate this with. You've got CRMs, content providers, Pinecone as well, which is pretty cool. But I just want to show you where it says Let's Work, because this is where the more fascinating stuff happens. So when you go to Let's Work, you've got access to all of these different agents. Now, some of them are part of the Pro plan, some of them are part of the Premium plan, but most of them you get out of the gate, right? So what you can do is each of these agents specializes in something different. So for example, Alex here is an investment manager. Emily is an accountant. Liam is a financial analyst. Olivia is a marketing planner. Ethan is a sales planner. Isabella is a talent coach. You've got motivational coaches, life coaches, personal trainers, motivational speakers, relationship coaches, debate coaches. So you can go in, you can click on any one of these people, and you can go and ask it to do a task for you. And that's why this is called AI Agents Army, because there's literally an army of these AI agents that can help you out. So we've got an email script writer. So you could say, please make me an email script to sell a $400,000 dolphin. Now, obviously, you wouldn't be selling a $400,000 dolphin, but she will go ahead and write you an email. There you go. Subject line, unique opportunity, exquisite dolphin for sale. And it's written the whole email for you. So all you need to do is copy and paste this into your autorespond. You can send it out. Now, another example of one of the other agents could be, let's say, a personal trainer. Okay, and you could ask this personal trainer, give me a 3-day weekly workout plan, right? And Mason Hughes here, the personal trainer, will come up with a 3-day workout plan. So day 1, you can do squats, 3 sets of 12 reps, push-ups, bend over rows, okay? And you can even ask him to make this into a script, make it into an ebook, make it into a website. You know, there's so much stuff that you can do with this. It's literally insane. And like I said, if you compare this to the other AI platforms out there, they're all charging monthly fees to do similar kind of things. Whereas AI Agents Army comes with a lot more for just a small one-time price. Plus, especially if you pick this up via my link, you're going to get all my custom bonuses as well that I talked to you about before, right? So it's all pretty cool. Now, I'm just going to talk to you about the prices for this and the upsells. So the front end is going to be $37, right? And for this, well, you'll have to come through to my bonus page here to read all of the stuff that you get inside of the front end for just $37. And remember, this is just one time. This is not this is not a monthly fee that you're having to pay. This is just one time. Okay. Upsell number 1 is going to be $77, and this is the elite version. And this gives you basically unlimited. It removes all of the limitations that you get in the front end. So the front end, you are limited to a certain amount of things that you can do. And then OTL 1 removes all those limitations, excuse me. OTO2, which is the enterprise, is also going to be $77. Enables unlimited AI agent chatbots on your website. Okay, so obviously you're still limited to the amount of chatbots that you can have. If you care about chatbots, then you probably need this OTO2, so you can make an unlimited amount. You also get the, you can also rebrand a lot of the agents, a lot of the stuff in there as well. Now, OTO3, there's actually two parts to it. And these are the agency stuff. So if you wanted to sell this as an agency, then OTO3 Part 1 is going to be $77, and this will allow you to sell services to 100 clients, right? But you might as well spend an extra $20 and have an unlimited amount of clients that you can sell this to with the second part of OTO3, right? OTO4 is the reseller's license. So you can sell this 100 times for $77, or you can pay an extra $20 and pay $97 total, and you can resell Agents Army AI an unlimited amount of time. So you can make a lot of money from doing this. Okay, you keep 100% of the profits. You can sell it an unlimited amount of times. You could sell it for whatever price you want to as well. Okay, so that is basically it. Do not forget to check out my bonuses. Like I said, I've spent a long time putting these together so that you can really get the best out of AI Agents Army. You're also getting all of the bonuses that everybody else is offering to you anyway, so you might as well pick this up from me and get all my custom bonuses, which I know are really going to help you out. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching my AI Agents Army review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.